Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your shopping experience with Amazon. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigate to the Amazon website. Log into your Amazon account using your email and password. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and Lists menu at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu. In the account settings, locate and select your orders. Here, you can view all your past orders and easily track your. If you need to return an item, find the order and click on Return or Replace Items. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the return process. To change your shipping address, return to the Your Account page and click on Your Addresses. Click on Add Address to enter a new one or select an existing address to edit. For adjusting your payment methods, go back to your account and select your payments. Click on Add a Payment Method to include a new credit or debit card. If you experience issues with your search or recommendations, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Help. Type your issue into the search bar for instant solutions or guidance. For a more personalized shopping experience, visit your lists to create wish lists for future purchases. Simply click Create a List and give it a name to start adding items. If you're looking for great deals, check the Today's Deals section on the homepage for discounts. For faster access to previous searches, utilize the search bar and look at suggested products. Always review item descriptions and customer reviews before making a purchase for informed buying. Once you've found what you need, click Add to Cart or Buy Now to proceed with your purchase. Proceed to checkout by clicking on the cart icon in the top right corner. Review your items, adjust quantities if necessary, and click Proceed to Checkout. Select your delivery options and confirm your payment method. Finally, click Place Your Order to complete your purchase. Follow these steps to enhance your shopping experience on Amazon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.